This is my regular ink mix that I divided in 5 sections. We have 100% on the left, followed by 75%, 50%, 25%, and 3 drops, which is all mixed with distilled water. I also have 2 cups that contains only water to clean my needles. Today, we're going to learn about a soft shading technique. For this technique, I use Bugbin curved mags. It helps me have softer edges on both sides of the needle. I define my section by working the needles sideways, so they are aligned one in back with each other to create a linear movement. I slowly start to build my darker tones with a pendulum movement. I go from the darkest area, working slowly my shades, to a lighter tone. I'm building my edges by making my movements smaller and more precise. For this technique, the hand speed and machine speed is very important. If not synchronized, it can make the shading less smooth. I keep my ink on the skin, as when I pass over the needles, it reabsorbs the ink and re-injects it back into the skin. Working the edges of the mag is crucial. It's the best way to cut and define the section. As I work out to a lighter shade, my movements become more elongated. For this type of shading, I usually have a slower hand movement. Try and keep the pendulum motion as steady and consistent as possible. If you are interested in becoming a tattoo artist or upgrading your skill set, we provide an extensive tattoo training program that explores these techniques in more detail and covers a wide range of additional skills. For more information, you can contact us and visit our website at www.rawtattooshop.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tattoo content. Feel free to comment below with any questions or feedback. Enjoy the rest of our video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, for more tattoos, tips, and tricks.